I'm Jamie Balasia. We were getting a tremendous amount of phone calls about the No Refusal Weekend program that the District Attorney's Office, Police Department, and Bexar County have instituted. These were from people who we don't represent and who did not currently have a DWI. So it was suggested to me by my associate lawyers that we should have a town meeting to open up a forum for people to ask questions. I personally am against a No Refusal Weekend program. I think that it tramples upon our rights as citizens, and it goes one step beyond what we should allow our government to do to us. And as we're all aware, once they take that one step, they never step back. It's just a matter of time before they take the next draconian step against us. What should I do if I get pulled over for DWI? I'm hearing that mostly from people who say, I drink, but I'm not drunk. The problem is that the field sobriety tests, I believe, are designed to make people look unbalanced and to fail them so that they look intoxicated, although they're not. The same people with no alcohol would perform the same as the ones that are having a few drinks. Now, a drunk is a drunk. A drunk can't sober up from adrenaline and make himself appear like he is sober. So I'm having a hard time understanding why are the police officers in this community having such a difficult time identifying drunks. I didn't have that kind of a problem when I was a police officer. I didn't have to get breath or blood to come up with accurate and truthful evidence to show someone was intoxicated. We're also having a huge problem in San Antonio that the San Antonio Police Department is coming up with videotapes in about 1/3 of their cases. And if you're accused of a crime and you feel like you are not guilty, that you were not drunk driving, shouldn't there be a videotape to show how you were talking, how you were behaving, how you were acting that night? The Supreme Court of the United States in the Schmerber case out of California in '66 said that the physicalities about yourself are not answering a question orally and having to give up privileged information from your mind or private writings. But I would say that to videotape you standing, doing normal things, interacting with a police officer, answering some questions about who you are and whether you have insurance and a driver's license and so forth, they can tell at that point whether or not you're intoxicated, whether you've lost your normal sense of physical and mental attributes. So when they take it a step further, and if they ask you for your breath and you want to give it, I don't have a problem with that. But when they forcibly take your blood, when you have said, I do not want to give it to you, that's a part of your being. I mean, it's not like they're taking your fingerprint when they stick a needle into your arm, into your vein, and suck the lifeblood of who you are out of you. Nobody ever tells us what they do with the blood. Are they DNA testing it? Are they secreting it somewhere? That's an important issue, but it's not the main issue. The main issue is they're violating your person by sticking a needle in your arm against your will.